No, every time of my life, no one ever felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's the truth, with all loyalty to you. I've been waiting for so long. I will finally find someone who's still value.
So the writing on the wall, as you felt this another door, but I see.
Now the passion in your eyes, the swing in the sky secretly. So we take each other's hand, cause we see the one step, your jealousy. Just remember,
All the long day,
I can't get enough.
so I tell you something.
This could be love, we got. I had the time of my life. No one ever felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's the truth. You're not already. Hey, baby.
With my body and soul, to more than ever know.
So just let go to be afraid to lose control.
Yes, I know it's on your mind. Stay with me tonight.
Stay with me, just whenever. Sure to one thing.
I can't remember.
So I tell you something. This gives me love because I had the time of my life. No one ever felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's the truth. You're not loyalty because I had the time of my life. No sense to every open door. The truth, you're not loyalty. True, you're not loyalty, because I had the time of my life. It was served to every open door. So I found the truth. You're not
Thank you very much.
Alright, and that song, Summer from my Bill. Oliver. Hello.
We're back.
Jennifer
The second
Sevilla.
episode, we're the episode 2.
Yes, and
Siyempre natin, bilang sila pa mga Madam brother.
Ayan,
Robin,
welcome
Robin.
po.
Alright, and yung mga bago natin din, welcome you guys at sessions.
Yes.
Yung mga nasa taas, magandang gabi.
Yes, good evening.
Ayan, kay Madam Cecil.
Sa mga nag-stay, maraming salamat po. Thank you, Paring Boben. Long time no see, pa.
Yes, Nancy.
Ayan.
Yung mga sa dinuduluhan po, good evening. Yung mga sa bar, good evening po.
Yes. And we are still open for the request, guys. Gusto natin natin, i-play po natin yan. And also for the greetings, ayan, baka may mga nagaganap dyan.
Kasi celebrate ang birthdays, anniversary. Ayan, dito sa mga bagong dating, hello po. Meron po bang naganapan sa inyo?
Wala naman.
Bigyan
Malipas
po
sa
si
tingin.
doon. Hello po. Salamat. First day.
May birthday ba niya?
Birthday?
Balik bayan? Ano na?
Brian, ako
Balik
pinapasaya.
bayan.
Pinapasaya. Balik Brian.
Balik Brian.
Balik Brian.
Balik Brian.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you, Balik Brian. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yes, we're in the Nashville Softball Session Fund. We would like to welcome the Balik Brian. Happy birthday!
Tatlo lang yung pamimilian mo. Kakanta, sasayaw, o magbibigay sa banda.
Asan ba si Brian? Balik Brian.
Balik Brian pa.
Balik Brian, ilang taon na ba si Balik Brian?
22. Oo.
Wow.
Ang kaigara natin, no?
Oo.
Ngayon din edad namin. Medyo matanda lang kami isang taon. 23 na kami.
Anyway, happy birthday kay Balik Brian.
Yes. Ayan, once again, abangan po natin ang grand finals ni Mr. Oliver Felix. Ayan, sa tanghalan ng kampiyon. Kailan ba? Wala pa, no? Wala pa.
Apat pa lang kami grand finals.
Ayan, by November siguro yan.
Pero mas maganda ko, October.
Ayan. Ayan, pakisuportahan po natin si Oliver Felix sa TikTok Clock. 11 o'clock a.m.
Oo, tama.
Bago mag-showtime. Ayan. Alright.
Bago
And
mag-showtime.
mamaya may mga jammers tayo. Papainit pa lang yan. Medyo busy pa siya. Eh dito ka lang bossing, baka kung may request kayo ha. Kasi,
i-upload natin itong kanta na ito kay Madam Jo.
oo nga.
Pinag-aralan namin ito. Pinag-aralan namin para matagpag natin. Kay Pari Robin.
Sabi ko sa'yo, talaga magtitigilan ka.
Ayaw na.
Medyo, ayan. Naninimot na, tequila. Wala ka mo na ubos. Ayan, bakit ka magalang?
Kay Pari Robin.
Ladies and gentlemen, the man on keys.
Ba't yan na? Kaso na kaya din. Sa bar. Teka lang.
Ayan. So mag-request po 3 to 5 songs ha, basta po pakisulat na lang.
Yes, we'd like to bring in the man.
Baril sa hangin pala.
Check.
Pare, dalawa kami. Ano yan? Naglalak na yan. Ano ba? Dapat
When there's a dark for your eyes, it's deep you can't get through it. Just put your hand in mine, and I'll show you how to do it. When the future looks uncertain, you can count on me to be there. And when your heart is all I hurt, just look at you to read it. Just I'll give you what you need. You have someone who believes in you. Someone who believes. Someone who believes. Oh, someone who believes. And you got someone who believes in you. Thank you. isa mo sila request?
Sige, bigyan natin.
Hey. Ito yung nalalig ako sa akin. DJ Eagle.
Favorite mo to, favorite.
Here's some piano lines.
While you know and all said and done, now I'll let you know, because the ball you show a broken love is held. You'll always be inside of me. How many roads have gone by? So many words left unspoken. I needed to be by your side, if only to hold you forever in my heart. Forever you will be. And even when I'm gone, you'll be here with me. Forever. Once I dreamed that you were gone. I cried, tried to find you. I begged the dreams away, please away can be. But I took hold of my heart and left me with no one to follow. The love that I lost to the dark, I'll always remember. Forever my heart. Forever you be. Even when I'm gone, you'll be near to me. Forever in my life, always I'll be yours.
At dahil dyan, bibigyan ka namin ng 5 stars.
Yes, thank you so much.
Ayan,
Sweet compliment.
Yes, wala nang bababa sa 2K.
Yes, boy. God bless sa inyo. Yung mga kaibigan natin dyan.
Tutumba natin. Alright, and ito. Ay, may request tayo galing to sa Balik Brian.
Black Brown.
Yes, ito para sa iyo. Mata.
Pag mata ako,
Hindi matapos. Mata by Jomo Flies. Ayan. Last Jomo Flies. And last mong halik. And heavy you near me and 100 bucks.
May kasama ba rin?
at least ano nga 3 to 5 songs, di ba?
Oo,
Mapili
at least may
tayo.
mamimilian.
Oo. Yeah, requested by Boss Balik Brian.
Ano, sa kanila.
Oh, sige, bigay mo na yung ano. Ano gusto mo na? Yung
Alin? Yung muna lang.
ice.
Yung nagpapit ka, wala akong
Oo,
medicine.
matag.
Mata.
Mata.
Mata. Ba't tinatanong niyo pa ako? Teka. Nakita ko lang iba.
Pasensya na po doon sa sister na Golden Hair.
Meron kami brother. Ayun o, Aremica. Kanino galit yung Aremica?
Anderson.
Ayan. Meron kami ibang Aremica po. Pero yung sister Golden Hair, wala po kami na.
Ayun, hindi talaga.
Baka isip kayo na ibang request. Medyo familiar yung mga request, ano, mata, kakabuhok. Ang kasunod na ito.
Sige, subukan natin ito. Medyo matagal natin hindi na-play. Ay, mamaya, open na kami sa Jammers.
Yes. Let's bring it dito.
Ano pasensya? Binago mo yung
Binago na kagad. Sige, try namin ito ha, Sir Balik Brian. Medyo last namin tugtog na ito, 1998 pa eh. Kaya,
Di pa yun ah.
hindi sumikat na sa ibang bansa talaga.
Bes yan. Ayan, sign of aging na talaga kami. Gusto na minsan ka wala na yan kung magagabundi tumawag minsan ka
rin doon sa ano, Sister Golden Hair. Yes.
Nasaktan ako sa request niya.
Masakit tayo na yun. Sir, baka nakaisip ka rin papalit ka, ha?
Oo, baka may maisip pa rin yung mga request sa akin, hindi pa kayo magsulat.
Para ano, para malinaw.
Ano po yun, sir?
Kahit anong song ng Amerika.
Ayun, ano na lang yung... Sige. O, isa na lang natira, medyo matagal na yung ano eh. Sige, ito na lang. Sige. Doon, patagdag na ako ng kuryente. Sige, gawin na.
Pwede ba sumabi sa akin?
Alright, para dito sa kanila. Ikaw. Day I die, come on. You and I will share all those things. Shade you were over, so I see. I'd be happy just to stay this way, spend each day with you. There's a time that I just thought that I was losing my mind. You came along and then the sun was shining. You started out my way. I do recall every moment spent was wasted time. But then I chose to leave all the light. We could pass away, we could pass away, we could pass away. Vamos, señor, pasar.
Yes, cheers!
I would carry you through all my life. Between the shower of the passing days, I will stay with you. There was a time I just thought that I was losing my mind. You came along and the sun was shining. Started out my way. I do recall every moment spent was wasted time. But then I chose to lead all to life. This all my life, want 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 this all my life. Hey, you know something from the USA?
American.
America. Egypt.
Oo, ito meron tayong ano eh, gusto nyo kaya lang wala kami nitong ano para sa akin yung reason. Para sa akin!
Ang laban na to.
Ayan, ganun po pagaling yun. May jammer ba? May jammer?
Para sa akin! Wala kami nito, masaya na po.
Pero baka may ibang song pa sila. Ano
Baka may maisip. May ibang song. And ito yung tabing ilog, wala rin kami nito eh.
Dito malapit na sa Marino.
Pero si...
Sa Marino. Barbie's with Barbie's
yung Ray, yung ako na nagbigay na gusto kong mag-jump. Saan ba kasi Ray? Sa Ray?
Ayan. Halika po.
O, tara. Kaya lang wala kami dito, pero pili ka na lang, meron kami dito. Available sa menu.
Halika na, bossing. Halika na po. Maganda yung song na yan, pero... Ray, let's go!
Yes, I'm on boss way.
Labas na. Ayan, baka may ibang song pa si Bossing. Dito lang natin siya kausapin. Marami yan, syempre.
Sige, try natin ito tayo. Actually, hindi namin pinupuntok ko sa talaga.
Oo, Barbie Stadium.
Ayun.
Para sa Franco Ricky. Ang galing ko. Sorry, ano po bang meron sa inyo? Meron po ba may birthday or ano?
Kita,
Wow, nakakatawa.
happy birthday.
Hoy! Kapita!
Farah, ano bang ate yung Farah?
Birthday niyan, birthday.
Sa isa kanya nabibigay yung mga kasama.
Yes, happy birthday!
Ayan. Si Ate Farah. Happy 18th birthday. Kapitan na bibig mo rin. Sa isa na po yung naglinis kasi. Oo. Later. Ay! 99? 89. Eighty-ninth birthday. Grabe was it. Sige ate, gumanti ka na lang. Alright, so here's
Hello.
Ray.
Hello.
Kasi ito, di ba?
Could you come with me when we were all alone and you had to go? Could you watch me sleep so close to you, pretending not to know? How could you memorize my name and forget who I am? How could you think you're still the same? Believe me, I can't. It's too late to start pretending. It's too late for a new beginning. Later than the sunset, later than the rain, later than never to love you again. Could you ask for more? But I need this and smile, trusting never.
Ayan, tama ba? Carl.
Hey, my Carl.
Carl.
Hey, come on, Carl.
Tulfo, tama ba?
Yes, check us out, Carl. DJ Edward walking on the street.
Pero wala pa itong Jason. Para sa akin, Jason. Ayun ba yun? Oo. Ito mo, parang... Oo. Sino ko ba si Katrina?
Immortal.
Diba?
Iba na yung sister.
Katrina!
Hey, come on, Katrina.
Pacheco, kakataga po ng Immortal.
Yes.
Sino po ba si Katrina? Ay, kasama niyo po?
Kasama ko. Tara, ikaw muna. Ikaw muna kumanta habang malasya ka na. Kasi may oras yun, pumapatak yung meto.
Pag mamaya po, ibang ano na.
Oo.
Mamaya na daw.
Nag-CR pa.
Wala yung mga fan club na. Alright. And guys, we still have the last set. So sana makapag-stay silang sila our last set.
Sige ako, hinantay natin si,
Yes. Alright. So I'd like to proceed with some kind of repertoire.
Here I go again, reaching my mouth. Maybe I said something, be more foolish. Stumble when I try to talk, stumble when I try to walk. Like I'm in a state of shock, when I'm with you. Looking just like a clown. Everything I say is wrong whenever you're around. Someone I got to shine, and I can look into the eye. I can wanna fall inside when I'm with you. Think I'm in love again. Look what a fool you've been. Think I'm in love again. Lately I've lost my mind, and I do it every time. Yes, I know all the signs. I feel love. I was lying to you. I've been in love before, and I didn't know the one that I've been waiting for. Been around island hills, but this is all the things is cute. Something tells me this is it when I'm with you. Think I'm in love again. We got silly queen. Look what a fool I've been. I think I'm in love again. Lately I lost my mind, and I do it every time. Yes, I know all the signs.
I'm full of it. I think I'm in love again. Lately I lost my mind, and I do it every time. Yes, I know all this time I feel love. Wala.
Thank you very much. Ayan, sa dumating lang kasama na ni Madam. Dahil ka na, Madam. Kasi walang papalakpak sa kanya kanina, kaya... Maimoche.
Mamosa.
Maimoche. Ayan. Eva, si Eva. Hi, Madam. Ano pangalan niyo po ulit? Ubusin. Ikaw, tubig na, tubig. Sige, sakto na may gula. Tumingat ka muna.
I'm so tired of being suppressed by all my childish feelings. When you had to leave, I wish that you would just leave. Your presence
Andiyan.
Oo. Kasama ba yan?
Ano yung kasama ka sa... Yung parang
Ano
drawing.
kasama ka tumanda? Kaya ano si Ray?
Nasa dulo.
Nasaan na po siya? Ayun na yung pala sa dulo. Ay ka na.
Eh, di wala ka tayo nun eh. Wala ka tayong Tagalog. English na ako. No comment yun. O kasi magkaiba ng pareho yung
Ay ka na. Pero tama.
Iba na lang mga parang. Tara ba?
Ay ka na.
Pasok ka po. Pwede po eh.
Hello na. Ano pangalan ni Manang? Brave. Parang lalaki kasi yung name mo, tama naman. Para unique daw. Ano song mo ko doon? Sige ba? Ano nahiya? Yan ano? Ay, sino bang kasama mo doon? Friend lang. Dalawa lang kayo. Ano na? Friend. Ayan. Dalawa lang kayo. Special Simon. Ayan. Saan kayo? Kasama ko lang. Yun lang.
Ay, kinis ako lang.
Sino ba? Sino ba? Sino ba kukin natin? Gusto mo regular na? Mas maganda yung mga solo.
Oo.
Medyo... Sige. Sabayan ko lang. Simulan ko ha. Tapos ikaw lang. And this will be our last song for our second set. But meron po kami last set ngayon. Alright?
Yes.
So,